Hey guys, so for the past week, I have been practicing my fingers, my left finger and my right finger with the keyboard. I have enough keyboard technique knowledge, the theory, I've got that on lockdown, but just my hands just didn't do something, and I was missing a little bit. I didn't understand how to separate my hands and how to make chords separate and instead of sounding all bulky and stuff. So I have been practicing for the past week, and today I decided to repeat last week's song. The song that I wrote back in 2007. So here are the results. I hope you enjoy, and I'm really improving, you guys. I'm so excited. Actually, when I listened to this, I cried. I kind of like had this sense of achievement. I know it's a small achievement. I know someone who's a keyboardist, a pianist would be like, that's basic. But for me, it was such a milestone. And someone once told me that if you can't play keyboard at the age of 20, 21, you'll never be able to. And I bought into that, and it created this like a blockage. And I think I'm finally getting over that blockage because something just broke, and I was finally able to do this, and I'm so excited for you guys to listen. I only did half the song because there was a phone call ringing work and stuff, so the phone call interrupted me and I didn't want to repeat the process. So this is all I'm going to share with you guys, and when I'm ready with the song, I will record the whole track. I'm so excited. Please enjoy. Rirhandzu, Ranga, ndzi ku rivala. Mbilu yanga hinkwayo ndzi ku nyiketa yona. Rirhandzu, Ranga, ndzi ku rivala. Mbilu yanga hinkwayo ndzi ku nyiketa yona. Mbilu yanga hi wena ntsena, a ndzi lavi un'wana. Ndzi tshemba wena ntsena, xikan'we xa rirhandzu, umuvune wanga, nalangutele wanga. Tell me when it's ten, I love when it's ten.